Morning and welcome to the channel. We are back at where I did the laundry room previously in a few videos ago, and I also did the upstairs bathroom. We're back to do the laundry room tile, and look, they got a new glass door. Not done by me, but looks good. I've already laid the uncoupling membrane yesterday. Forgot to film it, but here it is. The floor's getting in-floor heating, so I can go ahead and lay that now into my uncoupling membrane. Do a little bit of layout. I did most of it yesterday, but just clarify a few measurements and then start tiling. This is the heating wire here. So it will be installed in the bathroom and then the entire laundry room. It runs up into the wall to a thermostat here, which will be controlled in the bathroom. And there you go, all installed, skipping every two, and then any dead space, such as where the toilet is, or where the very small vanity will be, we don't need anything there. And the same goes around the walls. There won't be any foot traffic there, so it's, again, a little less important to fill that space up. Washer and dryers, dead space. Laundry tub and cabinets are dead space. And then I already did my tile layout off of the main wall, which will be my reference line. It's 80.5 inches. So I just make a couple marks off that reference line. And then make a new line where my first row of tile will go. That way I'll full tile where the top tread will be. Now I just have to do that for the rest of them. My first row of tiles has been dry fitted, so I'm gonna go mix up some mortar, get going here. The goal is to get this main area done because we have some HVAC guys coming in 2 days, so I want to make sure it's dry so they can walk on it, get down into the basement and do their thing. I have full tiles laid now in a single row. I can throw my straight edge on it and then make sure all my tiles are butt in against that straight edge. You can see here that I have a bit of a gap right here. And then the rest of the way, all the tiles are good. So it'll be a pretty quick and easy fix. I can just push these 4 tiles up against my straight edge and the mortar is still wet, so I can just butt it with the hammer. And by hammer I mean rubber mallet. That's gonna do it for today. I wasn't able to get quite as much done as I had hoped, but I still have to come back anyways to the bathroom, so should be able to finish the tiling in a full day, I think, and then a day of grout. So we'll get there, and see you now. Welcome back. It's a couple days later. The HVAC guys have come, done their thing, so I can get in, finish my tile. It's right where I left it. So I'll give you a quick view. So things are as I left them. I'm just going to continue on, do a little bit of dry fitting before I mix up some mortar, cut the drain hole out. I could actually probably almost do all my dry fitting. So I should be able to finish up this today. We are still waiting on a transition strip for our bathroom floor. A reducer, which will drop the 3/8 tile onto the curbless shower. But other than that, hopefully we get that by the end of the day and I can do this small space. It's almost all pre-cut, so it should go fairly quickly once we do get that reducer strip. I'm going to carry on here. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna wipe down the tile, get rid of any squeeze out or anything that's left on the surface to make grouting go a little easier. So I'll wipe that down with some clean water, check the time and see if I have time to do the bathroom. That's gonna do it for today. I was able to get all the tiling done. Wasn't sure if I'd be able to or not, but with an extra hour on the day I was able to finish up the bathroom as well, so I didn't show too much of that. I just had to get it done, but at least you'll see the finished product. I'll wait a couple days, come back on Monday and grout it, and then they'll have a laundry room that they can use. Thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.